So I have a question right here on finding percent. This question says, what is 15% of 12? And I want to take this question that has English words in it, and I want to change it into math language. So what is 15% of 12? It's the same thing as saying W. This is the thing we don't know. Is becomes equal 15%. And then of becomes multiplication and 12. So this is our question now. W is equal to 15% times 12. So W is equal to. Now, one thing we have to look at is this 15%. So 15% is the same thing as saying 15 over 100, because 15% is 15 per 100. 15 per 100. 15 over 100. And if I write that as a decimal, it's 15 hundredths, 0.15. So these are all the same thing. They're all different ways of writing the same thing. So I'm going to take this over here, and I'm going to change my percent to 0.15, and then times 12. So 0.15 times 12. Let's see. I'm going to take out my phone here so that we can look at the calculator on the phone, if I can get it to stay. So here's the calculator on the phone. I'm going to set it here. We have W is equal to 0.15 times 12. So 0.15 times 12 is equal to 1.8. So that's 1.8. So that means that this W, right, is 1.8 is equal to 0.15 times 12. So that tells me, well, if I want to write that sentence using English, right, if I want to write the sentence using English, it is, let me pull it down a little bit, you can see it up there. So 1.8 is 15% of 12. Here it is. 1.8 is 15% of 12. Pull it down here again. I can fill it in at the top. 1.8 is 15% of 12.